Welcome to this guided meditation for beginners. I will show you an easy technique that anyone can use. Everything you need is already within you. The focus will be on your breath, a natural and powerful tool to calm your mind and reduce stress. The breath is a constant rhythm that anchors you to the present moment. By becoming aware of your breath, you create space to quiet your mind and center yourself, even amidst the busyness of life. Let us begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a moment to settle into this space. Now, release any tension in your body, allowing yourself to fully relax. Let go of the external world and bring your attention to the present moment. Feel the weight of your body grounding you, anchoring you in the here and now. Bring your attention to the natural rhythm of your breath without attempting to control it. Observe the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest, or the subtle expansion and contraction of your belly. Now, gently bring your awareness to the sensation of your breath as it moves in and out through your nostrils. As you inhale, notice the cool air entering your nose. Feel the subtle, refreshing touch of the breath as it flows into your nostrils and down your airways. Stay with this feeling for a moment, observing how the air moves deeper into your body, filling your lungs. As you exhale, notice how the air feels slightly warmer as it leaves your body. Pay attention to the warmth and the soft sensation of the breath exiting through your nostrils, releasing tension and bringing a sense of calm. With each breath, allow yourself to be fully present in this simple sensation. The coolness on the inhale and the warmth on the exhale. Let this be your focus, anchoring you to the present moment. Take a few moments now to deepen your breath, inhaling slowly and exhaling fully. Take a deep breath in, allowing your abdomen to expand fully. And as you exhale, release any tension or distractions that may be lingering in your mind or body. As you inhale, feel the fresh air energizing and nourishing your body. With every exhale, imagine releasing any tension or worries, letting them dissolve into the air. Feel a sense of calm wash over you with each breath out. As you focus on the breath, you may find your mind wandering. Thoughts, sensations, or emotions may arise. That's completely normal. When you notice your attention drifting away, gently and without judgment, guide it back to the breath. Each time you return your attention to the breath, you strengthen your ability to concentrate. Allow the breath to be your anchor, your point of focus. Notice how it moves effortlessly, without any effort on your part. Simply be present with each inhale and exhale, moment by moment. As you maintain this focus on your breath, you may notice how your mind becomes more focused, calm, and centered. The mental chatter and worries begin to fade away, making space for serenity and clarity. Surrender to this state of deep relaxation, knowing that it is within your power to access it whenever you may need it. Feel the spaciousness and clarity that arises from this state of concentrated awareness. You are training your mind to be more attentive and resilient, enhancing your ability to concentrate in your daily life. Remember, this practice is not about achieving a specific outcome or goal. It is a steady anchor, grounding you in the present moment and gently nudging you towards a state of peace and balance. Embrace each breath as an opportunity to come home to yourself, to the calm center within. And as you go about your day, carry this awareness with you. Pause every now and then, even for just a breath or two, to reconnect with this beautiful and essential part of your being. Allow your breath to be a reminder to slow down, be present, and embrace the beauty that surrounds you. When you're ready, gently bring your attention back to the world around you and open your eyes. Carry the sense of calm and focus you've cultivated in this practice with you throughout the rest of your day.